Okay, we got a no heat call here. It's a rental house for a customer of ours that we have not been to before. So we'll go in here and see if we can get them some heat. All right. Well, looks like somebody's already been up here. Got the door off. 90% furnace. So, there's the induced draft. It is burning. You might have a blower problem. Working. I like that little window where you can see in there and see the flames. That's cool. Alright, so this could be like chasing a ghost. The blower wouldn't come on last night for him, so I had him go ahead and cut the burner off, cut the thermostat off, and check this capacitor and see if it's weak. And start chasing a ghost, I guess. Okay. So one thing that I have noticed is when a capacitor is weak, a fan motor may start sometimes and sometimes not. So let's put this thing on microfarads, and this should be a 7.5. And it is giving us 3.729. It's 3.730. All right, there's no doubt this cap is weak. So that's why it just started in front of us, and that's why it didn't start for them last night, probably after it had already run some and the motor was hot or whatever. And so let's hope the motor doesn't fail in the next day or two and we can just get by with a cap. Now there's a ladder you don't see every day. Now when you climb a ladder like this, you always let somebody hold it for you. Somebody chewed the bottom off of it, it looks like. But it didn't look to be too unsafe to me, so seeing as how all I had was the El Cheapo. we'll test it before we stick it in there. It's usually a good idea to do that anyway. I've seen quite a few bad parts out of the box new. 7.31. So that is within range. I wouldn't say it's perfect, but a lot better than that 3 point something we took out of it. So I'm gonna stick this back in here. And we're gonna see if we can get a different result. So it fired right up in front of us here. But it wouldn't last night. And the lady of the house is at the hospital as we speak. Oops. Expecting twins. So, no time is a good time to be without heat. But coming home with 2 new babies, you sure don't need to be without heat. I know these capacitor videos are not very exciting, but I thought that ladder was worth seeing. So let's get the doors back on this thing and fire it up. I'm just gonna make sure it comes back on, but it should. Let's cut this light off. It's an old Coleman furnace. And I really like this window. It is pretty cool. And she's burning. And I'm quite sure this customer does not want anything else done but whatever it takes to get it back running. Done a lot of work for them. We had several rentals, but this is one I have not been in before. There goes the fan. Thankfully I don't see any change in the flame, so let's get out of here.